Save birds and animal. The majestic Indian peafowl, beauty and behavior. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, is a species of bird native to South Asia. It is well known for its striking appearance, including its iridescent blue and green plumage and its long, colorful tail feathers. Here are some interesting facts about the Indian peafowl. The male Indian peafowl is known for its impressive courtship display, which involves spreading out its tail feathers in a fan shape and shaking them while making a loud call. The long tail feathers of the male Indian peafowl, known as train feathers, can grow up to 6 feet in length. Despite their large size, Indian peafowl are able to fly short distances, typically only a few hundred meters at a time. Indian peafowl are omnivorous and feed on a variety of foods, including insects, small mammals, reptiles, and plants. The female Indian peafowl is known as a peahen, and has a more subdued appearance than the male, with brown feathers and a shorter tail. The eye-like spots on the feathers of the Indian peafowl's tail are known as acheli. These are thought to play a role in the bird's courtship display, as well as in intimidating potential predators. While the male Indian peafowl is known for its bright, showy plumage, the bird's feathers are actually brown and lack the iridescence outside of mating season. The brilliant blue and green hues come from the way light reflects off of the feather structures. Indian peafowl have an interesting way of drinking water. Rather than dipping their bills into the water like most birds, they scoop up the water with their bills and then tilt their heads back to swallow. Indian peafowl are able to see a wider range of colors than humans, with the ability to perceive ultraviolet light. This is thought to be an advantage in detecting food and potential mates. In addition to their loud calls, Indian peafowl are also known for making a variety of other vocalizations, including growls, screams, and rattling sounds made by vibrating their wing feathers. Indian peafowl are capable of running at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, which is faster than many other bird species. While the Indian peafowl is most commonly associated with India, the bird is also found in other parts of South Asia, including Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Indian peafowl have been domesticated in some parts of the world and are sometimes kept as ornamental birds in parks and gardens. In Hindu mythology and Indian folklore, the Indian peafowl is often associated with beauty, love, and fertility. The Indian peafowl is the national bird of India and is protected under the country's Wildlife Protection Act. Together we can save birds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe at TrainAppit.